back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to active free VPN on Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on Play Store app. After click on Play Store app, click on search and search VPN. After search VPN, select VPN and click on install. After click on install, you will see few seconds later app is installed. After install app, click on open, click on allow, click on continue, allow, select location. You will see select location Germany, UK, US, Canada, and click on connect. After click on connect, go back to home screen, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on network and internet and click on VPN. Click on this settings icon and make sure turn on this button. After turn on this button, go back to home screen. You will see. So that's how you can fix active free VPN on Moto G37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.